With Bitcoin sitting at 107,700, once again testing that 108 mark, things are very positive on the day so far today, and they continue to get even stronger. Now we're going to look at some of the headlines in this video, and we're also going to be talking about a brand new layer 2 blockchain for the Bitcoin network. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up everybody, I'm Clay Bro. Now we're going to jump into Bitcoin Hyper in a second here, but before we do, I want to highlight what's going on in the crypto market and what's going on with Bitcoin right now. If you read through the headlines surrounding Bitcoin today, you are going to see massive amounts of Bitcoin buys piling in, and Michael Saylor's strategy is leading the way. If you read through the headlines, Michael Saylor sounds 21-year alarm after amassing $64 billion in Bitcoin. Guys, and his latest purchase was $530 million worth. I believe he's got over 500,000 Bitcoin at this point. And it's absolutely incredible. Company near 600,000 Bitcoin in total purchases. Indian Michael Saylor shocked by Pakistan's Bitcoin move. Now we got even more countries jumping in to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to clear this key technical resistance level to open the door for a 25% rally. Bitcoin's new all-time high is now inevitable, as Bitcoin price is eyeing liquidity at $109,000. If you come out and you take a look at Bitcoin today, it is very volatile. I mean, over the last few days here, sitting steady in the 107 range, but over the last 24 hours, right? Up and down and up and down and up, and it is trying to break through. Looking very strong at the moment, and if it breaks this little level at 108,000, 109,000, guys, this is the all-time high. This is an hourly chart. We are a few hours away from testing all-time highs on Bitcoin and potentially breaking out. Now, if it does so, I believe that we are going to see a massive rally in tokens like Bitcoin Hyper, and therefore I am buying in. If you guys are interested in buying in as well, all you got to do is click that link in the description, buy with crypto or buy with card, and connect your wallet. Now, I like to connect via Best Wallet, but it's up to you guys on how you want to connect there. Current price is 1.2075 cents. These guys have already raised almost $8 million. Now, in the next 1 hour and 4 minutes, the price is going to rise. So if you guys want to get in, you got to get in quick before that next price increase. But what Bitcoin Hyper is doing is building a layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin. How it works is you bridge your Bitcoin over from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper's layer 2 network allows transactions with near instant finality and extremely cheap as well. Now, it uses zero-knowledge proofs to ensure transaction validity and send back to the Bitcoin Layer 1 network for blockchain validation there. And, of course, when you're ready to withdraw, all you do is initiate that request, move back over to the Layer 1, and those Bitcoin are yours again to do what you would like with. Bitcoin Hyper is solving a real utility problem for Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin, one of the reasons it's a store of value at this point is because it is so expensive and it is so slow to transact with. You can't go to the store and spend your Bitcoin. I mean, if you do, you might be there for an hour waiting for the transaction to fall through. And you're going to be spending a lot in fees. So it doesn't make too much sense for lower level or lower value transactions at this point. But if you've got a layer 2 network like Bitcoin Hyper, you're going to be able to buy, sell, swap, send, receive, whatever you want as many times as you want with minimal fees and extreme speed, bringing utility back to the Bitcoin blockchain. So if you guys are interested in buying into Bitcoin Hyper, or at least reading a little bit more about it, make sure to check that link out in the description below so that you guys can see everything that they have to offer. Check out their X account with over 12,000 followers, rising and growing fast. And of course, they're getting a lot of impressions on their posts as well. This one from last month, 34,000 views already, looking very good. And of course, in a very promising environment where Bitcoin is on the brink of all-time highs. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.